Boom. DJ Dreadbeard.
And to the rest man, them all up fuck and when them a fuck woman, they cock up one of them blood clots who can stick them cocky deep in a woman belly. Why wouldn't the sub clot wicked?
You go skate in your hole.
You know that hot?
When your man a skate on the door.
She make it jump like a frog when she brace for the dance. She not afraid that the jump. Crazy she bad, lazy she not. She not lame, she get up. She
Cartel said that you win.
Yeah, some owe him 500,000. Him owe me more than that.
How much does he owe you?
$500,000.
$500,000?
Yeah.
Everything we people of this color have, everybody else want it. And I have the color you want.
You're referring to Joe Bogdanovich?
Yes, no.
Never talked to us, but he came with him right hand gunman friend, our partner. Joe right hand man come around there and take out him gun out there and we and fire 5 shots in the air and cause a stampede. He put on Instagram, him gun on Instagram and say, White God say, sting where I go.
Hey, Atasa. Yo, you see the vlog, yeah? I'm going to want a sheen lion for the vlog, yeah? And if you don't know what a sheen lion is, it just costs a $50 super thanks. Whether one $50, two $25, or five $10. $50 super thanks. Over TikTok, the lion about $500. You see me? Yeah, man, people drop a one sheen lion in the comment section as a super thanks. Because me feel like I'm going to bring forward some information where 90% of YouTube not privy to. Yesterday, Laing something there. Well, Laing I say, Vybz Kartel say, me owe him $500,000. You know how long Vybz Kartel said that? Way before Vybz Kartel go to prison. So I don't know how Laing forward and I bring it up back like last week Vybz Kartel said. Vybz Kartel said that before prison. And did you know that Laing, top cop Laing, bad boy police Laing, afraid of Joe Bogdanovich like a puss? Yes, so that's how I'm going to bring forward to today. And Vybz Kartel, Skillibeng and Stefan Dan forward out brawling with a song when named Bounce. Kick away every local artist foot we say them around the ground. That already, that is a hit. From you hear it, the high tempo Skillibeng, Vybz Kartel, Stefan Dan, you know so that is a hit. And you know so I almost call it because me did say to the chemistry where Vybz Kartel and Shenseea have. Don't be surprised if you hear an next Vybz Kartel, but this time with Skillibeng. So Vybz Kartel, Shenseea and Skillibeng, but me almost get it right. So Vybz Kartel, Skillibeng and Stefan Dan. Look out for that, I got drop. We are going to read about everything, you see me? Yeah, but we are going to read about everything. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I beg you to like up the video, share the video. And if you can afford it, drop a super thanks in the comment section. Yeah, I look $50 on the video because I feel like some put on me investigation journalism cap. For the one, you see me? You see me? And if you don't know how to drop a super thanks or how to hype up the video, see the instruction that been around across the screen. People, don't go away. I'm soon forward.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.
Yo, what people, you don't know me, a black boy like from Ghana. I just want to take a little time and thank Vybz Kartel for posting my video on story. And the man follow me up. Plus the man forward na me DM and send me a motivational message. One Gaza nation, one black boy like one Gallus, one king. I'm out.
Sealer. Who can tell me what is the sealer before me say it? What do you me telling you say? Well, I'm not even what here. Yesterday me drop a video over my second channel, This is RealTalk, where me I telling you say Vybz Kartel rather go in a young artist inbox and give them a collab, give them a strength, rather than for going a international artist inbox and beg them a collab. Yesterday me said that, man. Me telling you time and time again say Vybz Kartel ego different, you know. Him will not beg the international artist a collab, you know. But him will beg a no-name artist a collab. Well, I not beg him beg. I wrong choice the word that. You see me? But him will give a no-name artist. Yo, even when the man there prison, the man do a song with Renee 630. Even the same mad girl there, Man Cherry. And even Skillibeng to tell us say, a Vybz Kartel reach out to him in him inbox for them do the collab. So I see la, see the youth there. At the same youth this was say, him do an interview, you know, and a bag of people forward in the comment section, you know. I say, yo, how am I use Vybz Kartel name for clout? And me say, me glad say, him identify say, I know Gaza Nation has said that. A people are pretend say them a Gaza. and see Vybz Kartel, follow him there. Vybz Kartel is a 24 hours gym. The man always a give strength, whether you're a content creator, whether you're a young artist, anybody, comedian, anybody, Vybz Kartel give you strength. So the little dirty strength argument that we soon run with, as me say, in other vlogs, uno can say it, but it no make it true, and it not gonna stop Vybz Kartel from give people strength. You see me? So before we talk about the Laing and Joe Bogdanovich and Vybz Kartel, before we get into the topic, there's some do little investigation. We're still up on the topic with Skillibeng, the new song. Vybz Kartel continue for you run the ground and I run it international. So he would give you a song like Panic with the international. He would give you Victory and now he might give you Bounce with him and Skillibeng and Steph London.
15 minutes of fame gone a long time and no matter what they do it can't come back.
So only like 15 minutes of fame where una say una run the ground. Every 3 months when run out. Yo, them money around the place. Vybz Kartel continue for you be a torn on the side because you can't get for run the genre in peace. Because Vybz Kartel did it as a veteran, the only veteran. Locally, him can't get a song right now with Skillibeng. And then it can cross over too because it bad. But locally, we know say this kick with Massacre foot long time. Kick with the Ilan Gully Riddim foot long time. Any song where I go record and any song we record already. This song already kick it off. Remember, so we don't wait for Uno to tell we what it's, Remember, say from the snippet we are telling us a victory it, So me I tell you say the song with Skillibeng and Vybz Kartel is another hit. So this is how we do it. Local and international. And when we say international, we don't want a man to bring in no Shaggy and a Sean Paul name. You know why? Shaggy or Sean Paul can't drop no music, can't drop no album where affect the ground. Where let's say Massacre did for the number one. And Shaggy drop a tune and a Shaggy the number one and make Massacre have to just settle for number 2 and 3. Shaggy and Sean Paul cannot do that. Vybz Kartel can do that. Where if you as a young artist in a year era, for always get the number one, or always the in the monthly stream as number one or in the top 5 and Vybz Kartel did it. So Shaggy and Sean Paul, them can't affect no young youths, whether them drop or don't drop. So take the Shaggy and Sean Paul nonsense out of the conversation. A Vybz Kartel are the international artist. Where that is a turn in the young artist them side. If you can't beat him, you join him and that Skillibeng do. Skillibeng join him and Skillibeng bigger than the whole of them. So I could touch back a little bit on the Chris Brown and Vybz Kartel. So we get the track list and it there in the top 10 on the album. And like DJ Khaled when he put Movado song on the last of the album, or any Jamaican song, you always put it on the last of the album. No, this then a Chris Brown top 10. And if you look on your screen, so the track list there. So it the number 9 and it name Fuck and Party. You see me? I rate them and I rate Vybz Kartel now, bro. Yeah, man. So if you make like a 25 minutes drive, you must hear the Vybz Kartel on the album, or if you stream it on Spotify. But yeah, man. Yo, one thing me there are meds, both Chris Brown and Drake. I hope you not try gonna like a patwa thing. You see me? Just give you a regular on normal hits them on alias do. Featuring Vybz Kartel. Don't bother go down like a patwa road the car. History show we say them like a patwa something there where the rappers them do. It never gone away. It never sell. It never eat. You see me? It just create a little buzz. But it not do nothing than the buzz. So we all see the name of the song and know say a girl tune. Raw tune. Probably our one next Freaky Girl part 4 or something tune. You see me? You see any patwa on our reference, just reference like one place, like I'll just say Kingston. Yeah man, both Drake and Chris Brown, if you not go no patwa, don't make the whole song or don't make the chorus. Yeah, the main thing of the chorus. Don't make the chorus be no patwa. See if you not go patwa, reference one Jamaica place, like I'll say something about Ochi, one little 1 bar. Nobody give you no 8 bar with no patwa. You see me? Give you a bar like from me say Wagwan, she know what's up, or something like that. Something, you see me? Mention Ochi, mention Kingston, but not give you the patwa song there. It's a hit where I look at. And history, sure we say, them song then I go at 100. You see me? Yeah, that. When me did forget for say, about the whole Vybz Kartel and Chris Brown thing there. Yesterday me did for say that. You see me? Yeah, and now we have one more day. Tomorrow it a drop, so his song done do already. We just have to just hope say it's a banger. You see me? And Chris Brown them not try go patwa. But make we transition right now in the topic where me know say 90% of who watch this and 90% of YouTube. And how me forward to the conclusion there, just look on the views, the original views. So that upon Irie FM with Kishima, not levels with Kishima, you know, that are 4 years ago, you know, that are before Kishima even started a YouTube channel. And you see the views, it not reach 1,000 yet, so clearly it never trend. Me and Danger question them never clip it out and it go viral. It just depend RFM page on YouTube, you see me? And you want to know some vlog about this already? One long time, when me get all 90 views and 60 views, yeah, but because I see Laing bring up back the $500,000 there, me just draw back feet, you see me? Alright, so let's get into it. So me are gonna a little insight. Say Laing and Joe, them no good. From Joe take over Sting, put on Sting, give back Laing Sting, them no good. But it's a bad man thing a go on. You see me? Here him a call Joe a white god. Well, a white god them call Joe in the entertainment circle. But you hear him say, yo, Joe bad man friend, right hand man. Page him, shoot up the place, one bag of things. So the racist remark the way make, me a go on a little insight. I will go on. So me a play some clips and catch you up.
We don't want nobody.
Because a lot of things have been said, you know, Mr. Laing. People say,
Cartel tell people that me owe him. Cartel owe me.
Cartel said that you owe him.
Yeah, some owe him 500,000. Him owe me more than that. But me not go talk, me talk now. Because with the other platform where him go and slander me and talk all such things. Cartel is a little man where sit down in my office every day. People don't even know that. Say, I'm a Supreme Cartel there every day from 2000 to 2003. Cartel used to take my briefcase and walk upstairs at morning time. The first contract Cartel signed was me taking him to Centennial, New Kingston. He drive me that drive at Denali that time, and when he come out of the vehicle, he said, I have to buy one of them truck here, you know. Yeah. First contract he ever signed, $1 million for Centennial. Me drive him go around there and organize a contract for him. Same Centennial becomes Claro. And the lady who signed him 2003 at Jam World when Cartel kicked down Ninja Man on the stage. The white lady, the lady was there. She come and watch the show. She gave us 500,000. And she came and left there about 2 o'clock in the morning. We escort her out, my police escort her off of the company. And she said to me, all right, I'll sponsor this show fully next year. And before the woman reach her yard, Cartel mash up the show.
So they mash up the show where him a talk about when Vybz Kartel kick down Ninja Man. So I've probably this him a carry belly for. You see me? If we him a talk say true. You see me? So we are gonna play the Vybz Kartel and Cliff use the little part where Vybz Kartel say a 500,000 Laing owe him for the last thing. You see how long the man a carry the belly off of the man go a prison and forward back and the man a talk like a last week Vybz Kartel say it, you know, bro.
Before that, we decided that we weren't going to do it, and that is when the threat started. You know what I mean?
Back up a little. Tell me, you said he owed you from last year's performance thing, December 2009.
Last year.
How much does he owe you?
$500,000.
$500,000?
Yeah.
And what has he been saying to you in terms
of? Tell you the God truth, because right now I'm just talking. Him tell my manager say if Vybz Kartel was a bad man, I'll pay you back money. You know what I mean?
Serious?
It's dead serious.
He told your manager that?
Yeah, man. Him tell my manager those exact words, man. You know what I mean? And when me hear that now, I start looking into it and say, all right, well, me nah do this thing then. See, so that is the real reason why I say me nah do this thing if me not get X amount of money, because people been speculating why I'm charging so much money. You know what I mean? Anyway, go on and on. And
that's $1 million you were charging for this year?
3, me tell him, you know.
3 million?
Yeah, because for even the pride of it. You know what I mean? Yeah, so me tell him $3 million. And
but you weren't serious about 3 million?
No, if me get my money from last year, we could have negotiated. You know what I mean? But
so you were prepared to negotiate down?
Yeah, man. Because Sting that's the annual show. So
Cliffy was not listening. A long time Cliffy was not listening. When Cliffy used the Dancehall interview, you have to stick to politics. Vybz Kartel said just because of the pride of it, make me charge him 3 million. So more than 3 million Vybz Kartel did a charge. in a them time there. And that are Jamaican dollars, people. But just like how people are run up and down and a ball about the 1.5 million US dollar for the Trinidad promoter. Yeah, it's a friend price. So the $3 million there back in them days there would have been the 1.5 million US today. Where everybody a ball over is a friend price. Just the pride of it price that. 3 million. So that wasn't him actual price. Because of Sting and because it's a Jamaica show. But outside of Jamaica in the Caribbean, a 9 million. It did rumored the Vybz Kartel a charge in them time, 2010, 2009, 10, 11. 9 million in the Caribbean. And when him go outside, like when him go Amsterdam and France and them place there, 9 million. So when him say because of the pride height, the pride height means that the 3 million the cheap same way. You see me about Cliff Hughes now listen still. But anyway, you know hear our Laing, I say bad man not pay and bad man not this and bad man not that. At the same Laing this way afraid of Joe like a pussy, you know. So we're gonna play what you must say about Joe, about white man this and white man that, and then we're gonna transition to the interview where 90% of YouTube never see it. You see me? That's the part where me really go investigate, and long time I have it, you know. As me say, me talk about it already, but it never get no views because me new to YouTube. So we're gonna play where you must say about white man and this and that.
Them advising me. I was saying partner, and then him want all. So I'm go buy something for himself.
You're referring to Joe Bogdanovich?
Yes, ma'am. But I don't understand why everything we people of this color have, everybody else want it. And I have the color, yeah.
The culture is so big, Mr. Laing. And you help to make it bigger. You help.
But guess what? The culture is so rich, but the people here are supposed to back the culture, not backing it the way they are to do it, man.
I often talk about it.
What he has done, he has an agenda. I never knew. And I'm talking it as I know it. I'm not guessing. I heard Foota Hype saying it the other day, and I said, oh, Foota Hype's are bright. I don't know that.
Joe carried the show to a level where way too high than Laing them. And then him drop it and deliberately left it. So I know it mash up. That's what I blame him for.
Yo, listen to Foota Hype influence Laing. I don't know if you remember, but Foota Hype forward out and said this, you know. And now Laing and repeat what Foota Hype say, you know, bro. Yo, me telling you, so the one Foota Hype, you know, you see, if you don't allow him destroy on a camp and destroy on, you know. Because he will say something, you know. And you feed into it, you know. Because Foota Hype said that about 4 years ago, before Laing forward and repeat it. 4 years ago, Foota Hype said this, bro. And you hear Laing say to the mouth, say, him hear Foota Hype say it, and him a say, oh, Foota Hype know him business.
Listen to me. The man bring the show, the man carry out in the deep waters. You know something can't swim, you know. He carry me out in the sea, you know. And then it's alright, man, I carry you in. I carry back out the next year. And so when the year coming and carry out there, I left out there. Second year, the man don't do back the show, you know. And did some evil things, you know. What me not even go into, you know. But I was go into it, but it's a matter of time.
So you, in other words, then, are you saying that Sting ended up in a lull because of that partnership?
Of course, yes. Of course, yes. Because when we did 2014, he came there, never talked to us, but he came with him right and gunman friend, our partner. And there was a little problem on stage. Or even before that, he saw my marketing agent around the back and said to my marketing agent, how the hell did you do this? Bring out this crowd without my money? That's the marketing agent told me that. So I said, okay.
Wow.
Cool. Yeah, and when there was a little frack on stage with DeMarco, off stage, run backstage with DeMarco and Massacre, and they found 2 stone or 3 stone at each other around the back, I had enough police around there to quell the thing that the police get involved and deal with it.
Mm-hmm.
Joe right hand man come around there and take out him gun out there and raise and fire 5 shots in the air and cause a stampede. Because before he went to Sting, he put on Instagram, him gun on Instagram and say, white God say, Sting where I go. And that happened around there. But me say, God no sleep. God no sleep. And I go tell you this, my friend did tell me that he work at a mattress company for 20 years and never see God come by a mattress. So he know God no sleep.
Wow. Infamous bad boy Laing. I leave everything to God and time. Infamous bad boy Laing will tell Vybz Kartel say bad boy no pay back money. But where your $500,000 but we no pay back money. I him this now. In the future. No like when them box a man and them say yo leave him to God man. Or when them rob a woman and she say leave him to God, one little Christian woman and she say leave him to God man. Everything she leave him to God. I eat now like Langton Christian. You see me? Lang I leave him to God. That was the insight wagwan why you don't see Lang run out. The viral video now where you see Lang run out and I said that about Joe. Yeah, so basically what him has said there so is them split ways. I think them split ways in 2013 according to the story they were him tell. And 2014 when them keep sting without Joe, without the partnership, Joe forward the same way. And him forward there with him badman, gunman friend or him partner. Me don't know who that, you know. You have to ask Sir P them on the spot. Me don't know who that. Me don't know which man that's so bad. Where him shoot up the place and no police no arrest him and yo, you see this? It just goes to show you say money and power and race day and night too, you know, because you have to have some people that say because Lang not in a prime or Lang not have the police force. Whether him in a prime or not, you see a Joe, where them tell us say one of the richest man in Jamaica, police them no ramp with rich people. Police no ramp with uptown people. I'm afraid of them. Police afraid of uptown people. Because you don't know who you pull over. You don't know who you write ticket. I can't judge brother you write a ticket, you know. And then him just look by you and say, I'm gonna take your badge. You had start beat as a bad boy police. No matter how much money I kill, you had just start beat because you don't know who uptown. So that's why them just left uptown people alone. Old man, little boy, woman, pitney, them just low uptown people alone. I just get up people alone, them bad up. So, Lang in I'm prime, bad boy Lang in I'm prime, are all up Lang, wash up Lang, anyone I Lang them. Them would have fear Joe and him gunman friend. You see me? Yeah, so nobody writing in the comments because him no in a force or him not have the police bucketive. Whether him have the police bucketive or not, all of them are menke around Joe. You see me? But yeah man, people are right so want anything, you know. And as me say, I look at Sheen Lion for the one here. You see me? Yeah man, $2.25, $5, $10, anything we make $50. Add up to $50. You see me? Yeah, but alright so we are in it. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Maybe gonna feel like up the video. And if you want to support the channel, drop a super thanks in the comment section and the link to the PayPal. I go drop it in the comment section. Also, the video you see on the screen is a video I do yesterday. Chances are you don't watch that neither because the views them low upon it. So watch the video I dropped yesterday. See it up on the screen. Yeah man, I'm DJ Dreadbeard signing out.
DJ Dreadbeard. Subscribe now.
Insight, informative entertainment vlog.